This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the scene. Park on level ground, set the emergency brake, and chock the wheels so nothing shifts. Then disconnect the battery negative to avoid shorts while you probe electrical parts. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner next. Read codes and freeze-frame data because that tells you where to focus. Simultaneously, perform a targeted visual inspection. Look for leaks, frayed belts, loose hoses, and corroded connectors, and photograph each issue so you can compare before and after repairs. Once you have a narrowed fault, consult the repair manual for torque specs and removal order. This prevents secondary damage. Remove the faulty component in a logical sequence. Keep fasteners organized and label them. Replace wear items like filters, belts, and hoses while you have access, because these often hide root causes. Use correct fluids and the specified coolant mix percentage, and tighten to torque specs with a calibrated wrench so seals and bearings seat properly. Make sure electrical connectors are clean and clipped fully. Finish by reinstalling parts in reverse order, reconnecting the battery, and starting the engine while watching for smoke, odd noises, or warning lights because these tell you if something is loose or misinstalled. Once idle is stable, perform a short, controlled road test. Monitor engine temperature, oil pressure, and drivability to confirm the repair. If issues remain, rescan codes and verify grounds and sensor voltages. Often a bad ground or connector causes symptoms that mimic component failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.